We got a train coming. We got an actual train coming. The gates are on. I hear it. I hear the horn. That was perfect timing. But it's moving. KCS. Yeah. That was perfect timing. Wow. Train might be another tanker. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Yep, I'm wrong. This is a manifest train. Oh my God! Okay, I was wrong again. It's a manifest intermodal. I was not expecting this. There's another crossing down there. Wow! I was definitely not expecting this. That was like perfect timing. That's insane. Oh, I can't believe we got train. Insane. That is just freaking insane. I have never seen a train like this before. Or maybe I have, I don't know. It's going slow. I know, right? That train is going really slow. Put my hood up. Look at all these shipping containers. I don't know why it's slowing down even more. Why is this train going slow? We'll have to see.
We have to go back the other way then.
Yeah.
The Titchburg crossing.
We'll go to the Titchburg crossing as soon as this train passes.
Yep.
I think you might be right. That's probably what it's doing. I think you might be right on that one. Because it really is slowing down.
It is. Yeah.
And I was not expecting it to slow down like that. There's got to be something going on right now. Maybe we're going to have another train meet at Titchburg. That's my guess. Or maybe it's just moving slow because it's heavy. Because of the amount of cars on the train. One of the two. My guess it's going on the siding. Although I could be wrong, it's probably going on the siding. Wow, look at all these shipping containers. That's a lot of shipping containers. I see that bell over there. You see that bell? Come look at this bell. That's the CP bell. That's the CP owned bell. That is literally a CP owned bell. I think CP owns that bell. That's my guess. Now it's definitely slowing down.
It seems to be.
Will this train fit on the siding? I see a DPU. Here comes a DPU. DPU, I see you. I see you over there. You can't hide from me. I know you're over there. What do you think this is going to be? A CPKC, a CP, or a KCS engine? Well, it's a CP. It's a CP engine. 8955. That's an EFA8AA. Wow! That's the end of the train. I thought it was going to continue going. Let's go see if it's going to meet at Titchburg. Holy. Because it really is slowing down.
It really is.
That has a little bit of manifest cars on it. But not a whole ton. I can still see the train from here.
Yeah. Not going very fast.
That was insane. We're literally following it right now. I think you might be right. It might be going to the Titchburg tracks to meet another train going by. We'll have to find out when we get there. Let's go. Let's get there, baby.